today's video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide on how to register on the Bolo Up app, join agency, and do your face verification. So Bolo Up is one of the newest live streaming app that was launched last year and is still very new on the internet. So as an early bird for joining now, if you join now as an early bird, you have the chances of earning higher than people that will join later. The earning on the app presently is so high because it's still a new app and few people are aware of the app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the business of the day. Now, for you to download this app, you have to use a link. You cannot just get the app on the Google Play Store. So in the description of this video, I've dropped the link to the app. You click on the link and it will take you to Play Store where you can download the app. After you must have clicked on the link on the description of my video and it take you to Play Store or Apple Store, you download this app. You can see this pink app here. You download it. When you download it, you come to your phone, you open it up. Let's give it time to open up. Okay, now that it has opened, it will ask you to log in either with your Apple ID or with your Google or with your Telegram. It depends on the one you want to use, but in my own opinion, or if I would advise you to use your Google account to log in because it's easier and very safe to recover it back. Let's, for instance, maybe you lost your phone and you get another phone, you download this Bolo app. For you to log in, it will be easy because you just click on your Google and Google will automatically log you in instead of you cracking your brain on which username did you use or which password did you use on the previous phone. To avoid and save you from the stress of cracking your brain, just use your Google. Like me, what I use is my Google account. So let's click on the Google account and use it to log in. Okay, you click on this again, continue. Okay, now this is it. It has opened up. As you can see, the interface of my phone yours will not open like this. That's because you have not done your registration. Mine open like this because I've done my registration. I'm even an agent on the app. So yours will open with an interface that will ask you to input details like your name. So if you're using your Google account to sign in, the name you use in your Google account will be what will appear there. So if you want to continue using that name, you leave it like that. But if you don't want to, you change it. Me, I did not want to, so I changed my own to Veraki. You change it, then it will ask you to put a profile picture. You put a profile picture of yourself. It will ask you to put your phone number, the phone number you want to use, your WhatsApp number. I will advise you use your WhatsApp number. You input it there and some other details that it will ask you. You just put it there like your age, your hobby. You should introduce yourself and all of that. So you just write something a little about yourself. So that is it about that. Once you do that, you click on continue. Then you see an interface like this. On this interface, you come to this place that is me. Down here where you can see my cursor pointing, you click on it. When you click on it, your interface will be different from this. And another thing I discovered with this app is that there are some restricted app on the iPhone. This is an iPhone that I'm using, but if I use my Android phone to log in, now you see that there are more information here. There are more write-ups here than this, but since this is an iPhone, is limited. And another thing again, there's a place to ask you to upload 4 pictures of yourself. You upload those 4 pictures of yourself where you are imputing your details. That's where you upload those 4 pictures of yourself. After that, on this right up here, you see something like become a host, where you see this my levels and activity center, recent course setting, your own. There will be something like become a host. You click on it. When you click on it, you copy my agency ID from the description of this video. I'll drop my agency ID in the description of video. You copy it and you come and impute it in that place that I say become a host that you have clicked. Note, if you don't join an agency, you will not be able to do your tax. Even if you enter into anybody's room or you sit in your own room, you create your room and sit, you will not be rewarded. Your tax will not count because you have not joined an agency. So in this app, it's compulsory you join an agency before you can do your tax. So like I was saying, when you copy that ID from the description of this video, you repeat it in that place and then you agree to join my agency, because it will ask you if you agree to join the agency. You say yes. It will tell you that okay, it's being reviewed. Then you join my agency. When you join my agency, tax can start counting for you. So you come to this place that say host. When you click on this place that say host, you see your own interface. It will look like this. But all these numbers, all this kind that I have, you not have it because you have not done any tax. Then you click on this place. You see this place that say my room. You click on it. When you click on my room, let's click on my own and see. Now you can see that it's open my own room. I am sitting down up here doing my tax here, but your own will not open like this because you've not created your room. Your own will ask you to create your room. When it's asked you to create your room, there are two options that it will give you. It will give you either to create a chat or a live room. I will advise you pick the chat room. If you pick the live room, that means you will keep the camera on your face for the next 2 hours to do your tax, which is not easy. And most people on this app they don't do live, they do the audio chat. So if you click on the chat, it will ask you to put your welcome message. You put your welcome message, that is it. You click on go live, that is all. When you click on go live, your room will open like this. You'll be sitting in your room like this and be doing your tax. Even if nobody comes to your room, you can continue doing your tax. After 2 hours, you go and receive your reward. You look up here, you see something like wait, write percentage. Mine is writing 100% because I finished my tax for today, but your own will write 0%. Anytime your tax is counted, it will keep increasing till you get to 100%. When the first 100% is complete, you have to go and click it and go and receive your reward. Then the second hour will start counting. But if you know the time you come in, you can leave the 2 hours. After the 2 hours, you can come and click on it and receive your 2 reward at the same time. So one thing I like about this one is that you don't need to stress yourself keeping your camera on your face. You can just open your room and go about your daily activity, go about your tax at home, in the office, or wherever you are. You can even open your tax like this, put your bag in your phone in the handbag, and be going out and do whatever you want to do, since you don't need to put your camera on your face, because the reward on the party tax, which is the chat, and the live chat is the same. And this one seems stressless compared to you putting the camera on your phone that will restrict you from doing any other activity. So that is that. And if you feel that sitting down in your room like this, you will be bored, which I don't even advise you most time to sit in your room. Go to other people's room. For you to go to other people's room, you can either decide to exit or minimize. If you minimize and you come to this place party and you choose any other person's room to go to, then it will remove you from your own room and then you join anybody's party here. It depends on the country you want to join their room. Like if you want to join Nigerian room, you click on this thing here up here, Nigeria, and then it will bring you to this interface. You can see that everybody that is sitting down here are Nigerians. So you can click on anybody's room that you want to enter here. Like here now, let's say we click this lady's room. You can see her seats are empty. Much people are not on her seat. You can request to sit on her seat. If you click on her seat now, it will allow you to sit. But there are some, they will not allow you to sit. They will ask you that you should wait for, you will request to sit on the mic, and the host have to accept you before you can sit. But like this one, you can sit. You can see that 2 people are even sitting in her room. So you can come and sit down here for the next 2 hours and do your tasks. And why it's advisable for you to go to other people's room is because there you can interact, you can chat, you can get to meet new people, you follow people, people will follow you back in return. Here you can gamble and win. One good thing I like about this app is that no matter what, you must win when you gamble. No matter how little the winning is, you must get something in return for your gambling. You don't win, you don't gamble and lose completely. Something must return back to you. So that's one fun thing about gambling here. You can learn how to play game when you interact with other people. There are places for you to play game, so you can just sit in somebody's room like this and play game, follow the people, and they will follow you back in return. Another thing I like about the app is that, let's go back to your room and see here like this. You can see something like mic that is being crossed with red line. That is to say your mic is off. If you want to talk to somebody, you can turn it on. Then one thing I like about the app is when you click on the next icon, you see where it say music here. If you have music on your phone, you can decide to bring them to the app and you'll be playing music and be entertaining yourself, or people that are in your room, you'll be entertaining them while they do their tax. So this app is fun, it's very easy to use. And then the earning on this app, every 1 hour that you sit on the seat doing your tax, you receive 2,500 points. That 2,500 point times 2 is 5,000 points. If you are serious in this app, in 1 month you can make so much. If you are not stingy, if you can buy coin and gamble, if you can play game in this app, you will make so much. So that is one thing about this app. It's very easy to use and it's fun to use. There is one other new app alert. Okay, so there is one other new app. That one is very new. In that app, guess how much you earn for doing tax in a day? Well, that's my little secret, so I'm not going to tell you. So if you know you're interested in the new app, comment new app in the comment section on this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notification, and share this video with your friends. Let's make money together this year, 2025. See you in my next video. Bye.